Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be comparing China and America, but more specifically the AI tool DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Now of course DeepSeek has only recently been released and this is China's ChatGPT competitor. Now we're going to be comparing the two and seeing which is better. So of course here we have the OpenAI website and this is the ChatGPT landing page. So we can see some brief information about ChatGPT here. As you can see, it gives you some information and you can learn just the basics about what you can actually do with ChatGPT. Then on the landing page for DeepSeek, you can get started right away, sign up and start using it, or you can get the app and use it on your phone. But if you scroll down, you can actually compare the capabilities with DeepSeek with other AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT on the right over here. So you can actually compare all of the benchmark results for all of these different tests. And it seems DeepSeek comes out on top for a lot of them, ChatGPT for some of them as well, and Claude for a few of them here as well. But we're just going to be comparing DeepSeek with ChatGPT. Now I have already signed up and created an account with both, and we're only going to be using the free version of ChatGPT because DeepSeek is currently completely free anyway. So we're going to be comparing what you can do with DeepSeek for free to what you can do with ChatGPT for free. So the interfaces first of all look very similar. As you can see, this is DeepSeek and this is ChatGPT, and both of them have a sidebar that you can open to view your previous chats. And of course you can rename them and delete them, and you can do the same with ChatGPT as well. Within ChatGPT you can choose the version you want to use, ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus, but that is the paid plan. And like I said, we're only going to be using the free plan. And then, as you can see, you can also attach files, search the web, and view tools that are available as well. And you can also use voice mode, so you can talk directly to ChatGPT. Whereas with DeepSeek, you can search the web, and you can also use DeepThink to solve reasoning problems. As well as that, you can also upload files, but that is only for text extraction. So these are very similar. ChatGPT does currently have more features, but I think with DeepSeek being so new, they're going to be adding more features pretty much every week or every month. So I'd think that soon enough it will have just the same features as ChatGPT does. So let's get started comparing the two. Now if I open the sidebar here, you can see that I have a blog post, logo design, marketing plan and meal plan. And these are all chats that I have already created within DeepSeek. And this is what I'm going to be comparing to ChatGPT. Because if I open the sidebar here, you can see the exact same most recent chats. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and open the blog post chat with ChatGPT and also with DeepSeek. If I scroll up, you can see the prompt. I gave it a very simple prompt of write a 300-word blog post about the benefits of remote work. And it has given us back this result here. Now I'm not sure how many words this is, so we can use word counter to count it. So if I just copy that, and I'll simply paste it in here. And if I remove the title, it is exactly 300 words, so it has done what I asked it to do. Now I'm just going to close these other tabs because they're not needed. And then with ChatGPT, I gave it the exact same prompt, but we do have a different article that's been written. So let's copy this and paste it into the word counter. Once again, remove the title and remove this bit down here. And this is only actually 281 words of content, which is near enough to 300, but it is an interesting difference. And then the format of the blog post is slightly different as well. ChatGPT has given us an introduction and 5 benefits of remote work, which are each about a paragraph long, and then a bit of a conclusion at the bottom down here as well. Whereas DeepSeek, it seems like we have an introduction, and then why remote work is good for employees, why it's good for employers, why it's good for the environment, and then I think this is a conclusion. So it depends on what type of article you want to write, and you can also be more specific with your prompts as well. So it's difficult to pick a winner here, but I think because I asked for 300 words, I'm going to have to pick DeepSeek, because it is written an exactly 300 word blog post, which is what I asked for. Whereas the actual content for the blog post in ChatGPT was only 281, I think. Yeah, 281. So next up, we have logo design. So we're actually going to start with ChatGPT for this one. And I've given it the prompt, suggest ideas for a logo for a coffee shop called Morning Brew. Now it's not actually given us the designs yet. As you can see, it's given us 10 different logo ideas. So then I've given it another prompt, please design some of these logo ideas. And I must say this one looks absolutely fantastic. And it's given us a description as well. And then I've said, let's try another. And it's given us another fantastic logo design idea. So there we go, that's what ChatGPT has created. Now let's go over to DeepSeek and click onto the logo design prompt here. I've written the exact same prompt, suggest ideas for a coffee shop. For a logo, sorry, for a coffee shop. And it's given us the ideas. But then, when I said please design some of these logo ideas, it says, unfortunately, I can't create visual designs directly. Which, for this round, must automatically give ChatGPT the win. Now, it has given us step-by-step instructions on how we can create these on our own, but that's not what I asked for. So, yeah, ChatGPT wins round 2. So it's currently 1-1. Next up, we are going to create a marketing plan. So if I scroll up to the top, I've said create a 1-month social media marketing plan for a new fitness app, and we're calling it FitZap, where you earn points that can be redeemed for prizes the more you exercise. So this has given us a 1-month social media marketing plan for FitZap. We've got the objective, week 1, goals, platforms, and content ideas. And then it's done the same for week 2. However, for this, it's just said the goals and content ideas. Week 3, and finally week 4 as well. And it's given us some additional tips at the bottom down here. Now, if I go over to ChatGPT, as you can see, we've given it the exact same prompt. And first of all, we have the overview, which is goals and channels. So we want to drive awareness about the launch, highlight the unique feature, which is earn points for prizes, and encourage app downloads and initial user engagement. So it's saying to use Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn as well. So for week 1, we have the theme, and we have a day-by-day content strategy here. For week 2, we're going for engagement and education, which is how FitZap works, and gamifying fitness. And once again, a day-by-day plan. Then we have the same for week 3, another theme and a day-by-day plan. And then week 4 as well. Finally, we have daily engagement tasks, respond to comments and DMs, use different fitness hashtags, and repost user-generated content. Then we have all of the performance metrics that we need to track. And there we go. That is what ChatGPT has created. Now I'm going to have to give ChatGPT the win here as well, because personally I think that this is a better marketing plan. So it is currently 2-1 to ChatGPT, but you must bear in mind we've only been giving these very simple and basic prompts, and also DeepSeek is very new. But that's no excuse. Let's now go to the meal plan, and all I've done here is say create a 7-day vegetarian meal plan with recipes. So we have breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner for all 7 days. But now let's go over to ChatGPT and open the meal plan. Once again, we have asked the exact same prompt. And here we have breakfast, lunch and dinner and no snacks. However, this has given us ingredients and a recipe. Let's see if there's anything extra after day 7. No, there's not. Okay, so this is quite similar. Now let's compare these a bit more. Now I do like the addition of a snack on DeepSeek. However, I do like that ChatGPT has given us ingredients list and a simple recipe, whereas DeepSeek has only given us pretty much one sentence for each of the meals. So I must say it's quite difficult to pick a winner here. I think I'm going to have to give it a draw. So that does mean ChatGPT is the winner overall. However, that is only for these specific examples I have given you. And it's also important to remember I've given it a very simple prompt for all of these examples. Now, before I end this video, we're going to try one more example. And what we're going to do is click New Chat. And I'm going to ask it to invent a new animal, just because I'm interested to see how both of these are going to compare for inventing an animal. So then we're going to copy that prompt. Please invent me a new animal. Be as creative as you wish. And let's hit send. Now it seems that DeepSeek is being used quite a lot at the moment, so the servers are under high demand. So while this is loading, we're going to go to ChatGPT and create our new chat, paste in the prompt, and then let's hit enter. And as you can see, this has instantly worked. And now this is saying meet the glyceroo. Okay, I think I've said that right. A fascinating hybrid of agility, camouflage, and bioluminescence, if I've said that right. So here we go, we have the appearance about the size of a large dog. It has powerful spring-loaded hind legs similar to a kangaroo's. It has 6 eyes, 2 large forward-facing ones for day vision, and 4 smaller ones that activate at night, giving it infrared-like sight. Behavior: it's nocturnal. It can glide between trees like a flying squirrel. It has the unique ability to sing using a throat structure that produces ultrasonic vibrations. It's highly intelligent, capable of using simple tools and mimicking sounds to confuse predators or trick prey. And it lives in forests. Would you like to see a drawing of it? I'm saying yes, show me a drawing. This is going to be very interesting. Okay, so we're about to reveal the glyceroo. Glyceropodus? Noctilius. I can't pronounce these words, but let's have a look. Okay, that is not what I expected at all, but very interesting. Now let's go back to DeepSeek, and this has now created our animal, so this is fantastic. And I actually quite like what it's done here. It's given us the appearance, the habitat, the abilities, the diet, and the behavior, and the cultural significance. Okay, so this is the luminox, and the scientific name means skybird of the sea. So it's the size of a large eagle. Its eyes are large and luminous. I'm not going to lie, I'm going to have to give DeepSeek the win here. because I think this is awesome. But the fact that ChatGPT can draw the animal makes it difficult to give it the win to DeepSeek. However, we weren't looking for a drawing, we were only looking for a description. So I'm going to give DeepSeek the win for this one. However, overall, I think ChatGPT is still the better of the two AI tools. But I do think DeepSeek is going to catch up very quickly. So there we go, that is all for this video. Please do leave a comment and let me know which of these AI tools you prefer. And let me know of any different features within DeepSeek that I haven't tried. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.